Okay, today I just want to quickly show you the Beyondtech A3000 wireless keyboard and mouse. Of course, I have already taken this out. Got the mouse, the keyboard here. It also comes, of course, with some basic instructions, all in English, easy to read. Now the mouse itself, you got the battery compartment here in the back. Takes a AA battery. And here's the little dongle thing to plug into your computer. Let me show the mouse a little bit. It does have a little CPI thing to adjust the how fast it's moving there when you plug it into your computer. How sensitive it is, I should say. Here is the keyboard itself. I already have batteries in this because I had tried it out a little bit earlier. Of course, it takes two AAA batteries. And you can also stick that little dongle thing right in the keyboard if you're storing it for long periods of time. Less chance it falls out when it's in this compartment. Now the keyboard itself, it doesn't have those little flip out things to raise it. It has this built-in little bar all the way in the back. Size-wise, it's just a nice little small keyboard. Yeah, measure it out for you so you can see. You got just about 1 foot and a little 1/4 inch more. I mean, at most, not even quite that. Actually, well, just over that actually, but it's nice and small. The other way, of course, it is 4 and about 5/8 of an inch. Mouse, well, just about average size for a mouse. Of course, fits comfortable in your hand. You got 4 inches that way, and a couple inches that way. But yeah, it's just a nice little set combo, keyboard and mouse. It works good. I did try it earlier, and yeah, there is the Beyondtech A3000 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Thanks for watching my video.